All right, so now what I've tried is this is a piece of flat iron. It's a 1/2 inch by 1/8 of an inch. Okay, and it passed through this hem really well without causing any damage to the paint. But now what I'm going to do is I have somebody helping me here, and we're going to just pick it up and see what happens in the center. We put a hole here, so I'm going to make a plate that goes on the wall with a screw that this hole can pass into the over the screw, and then we can anchor it down. I'm just trying to find a creative way to be able to hang this on a wall. Okay, so supposedly this is up on the wall. We're going to do it now. We're going to do a test. And so we'll screw this into the wall. This screws here. We put it on top. Then I'm going to put this on top, and then I'm just going to screw it on. So then this will be anchored to the wall. I'm going to try it now. And all of this is going to be painted in black corrosive, and it's going really high up on the wall. So hopefully it'll look good. Okay, we did it. So this is in front of my studio, but we put the plaque up on the wall. We screwed it down. We had holes in the bar. We just put it on top of the screw, and it looks great. Here, I'm going to go span out. It's a big project because this is 10 foot wide. And now I know that I could go to my client and have a way to put it up on their wall, and it's going to look really great. All right. Oh, wow.